Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can make a geometry dash level longer. So as you can see, we only have a limited length for our geometry dash level. Now how can you make this longer? Basically what you want to do is to use the height of the level right here, because as you can see, this is almost unlimited as I have previously reviewed. So you could do something like levels above right here, and you could teleport your character below levels until you reach the bottom one, and from there your character will then proceed to the ending of the level. So you could utilize that simple technique in order to go ahead and make your levels longer. So maybe for this one, this is going to be your first level, and from there you then want to put a teleporter on this section, and then this is going to be our second level. So you want to put your second level on here, and basically from there, that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.